name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we are unboxing something that I've been meaning to unbox for more than 6 months. It's embarrassing, I know. Anyways, these are the Aftershokz bone conducting headphones. Yes, it's those ones that you see. What I like the most about these, especially in rattlesnake country, is I like where I can still hear what's happening while the sound is being conducted through the bones of my ears. You see what I'm saying? Isn't that weird how those work? Anyways, nothing actually goes inside of your ear or over your ear. It just sits right here on this part. So you can see that here actually in this little picture. These are called Aeropex Aftershokz wireless bone conducting headphones. I'm so excited to use these. I'm not even joking, especially it's getting hotter out. There's more snakes. And we're out here in the beautiful Lost Dutchman State Park at a cabin. It's a beautiful day. Aftershokz, open ear design, bone conducting technology, premier pitch 2.0 stereo sound, multi-point pairing, IP67 waterproof. What does that mean? Anyways, it's waterproof. 8 hours of music and calls. Warning, cancer and reproductive harm. Okay. Moisture detection alert, titanium fit. So what's nice is that they're almost sweat proof, right? I sweat a lot in my hair, in the back of my head. These are super nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do an unboxing. Again, not a sponsor. Hey, you guys want to sponsor me? I would love to review your other ones. Let's take off this plastic. I got the red kind. These were on sale. These were huge a couple years ago. So I actually got these kind of on clearance for like $40, $50, I think. Anyways, they weren't that expensive. That's the outer casing. We're gonna put that over there. Comes with these two things. What do you want to open first? Do you want to open the headphones first or the instructions? Let's open the headphones, shall we? Here's the box. It's cool. We'll watch this. You ready? It's like a magic trick. Ah. Oh, never mind. It says, be open. Bone conducting headphones. Redefine your possible. Be open. Look at how cool it looks. And that girl looks like she's having the time of her life using these headphones. That's going to be me. Look at how pretty they are. Oh, they come in this little thing. It says to remove. Then you can remove the headphones. Nice. Here, let me just demonstrate right quick how they look. Look at how cool these look. Seriously, I am not even joking. These are awesome. So you almost look like a space person wearing them. Whoa, isn't that cool? See how they go on the top of your ear here? I'm curious to see if these work. I'm not even joking. It's exciting. Okay, so these come in the box, obviously. The Aftershokz headphones. It's a little thing over here. It says accessories. What does this say? Okay, so this lifts up and out. Instructions for the Bluetooth connection. Press plus for 2 seconds. Blue blinks. Turn on the headset. Press plus for 2 seconds to turn off the headset. Okay. Moisture detection alert. Device can detect liquid residue. During charging, if there is sweat or other liquid residue in the charging interface, the device's light will flash blue and red. The core of the headphones will also vibrate and emit a beep beep warning sound. Please dry the liquid off the charging port and then the device can charge normally. Fancy. Accessories. It's in this cute little box. Let's see. So you just open this. Accessories. This comes in a cute pouch. That is all she wrote. That's everything in this box. Okay, cool. I think this is to give it space so that when you close it, the Aftershokz won't be hurt in this case. So here is a little accessories pouch. It's a rubber pouch. This looks like a magnetic clip. Kind of cool. In here. This is probably the pouch for the headphones. Boy, these headphones are fancy. Holy cow. Again, not a sponsor. I'm not sponsored by anybody here, right? Cool. So it looks like this pouch is able to keep, sorry if you can't see it. I keep trying to make sure that you guys can see everything, but I have no idea. Anyways, it fits the headphones perfectly. It comes with earplugs. I guess because you don't need your ears, so if you needed to plug them to hear, then you can use these. That's kind of interesting, actually, earplugs. So this is what was in the accessories case. There's a charging cable. Very exciting. Always needed as well. Charging cable is specialized, so it has a special tip to charge, just as it showed here as well. It's got it's not like a USB-C or anything. You can kind of see that here. Hold it up close. It's got a special tip to charge. And then this is special too. See how the connector. So it's the regular USB, special connector for the Aftershokz to charge, so that's part of it. Here's the user guide, and then it also came with this thing. I don't know what this is. A second charging cable? I don't know. A second charging cable. I think I got 2 charging cables on accident, to be perfectly honest. I don't know why I got 2 of them. They're the same though. So here's one, and here's the other one. Don't they look the same? They have the same charging tip and everything. So I think they sent me 2 charging cables on accident. Oh well. And then it comes with this cute little user guide. So the user guide right here. And it shows you how to use it apparently. Let's see what's in here, because I thought the user guide would have been in here actually. Alright. Let's see what all this is. Holy cow. Dude, this is crazy. What on earth is all this? Sport belt? What? Look, it says sport belt. It comes with a little sport belt, a little thing for the keys, and for, it says emergency, like a little plus symbol for like first aid, I guess. And if you wanted to wear this, you can wear it on your hip and go running or work out or whatever. Wow, this is really nice. That is it. That's all that came in this box. I just want to do a little unboxing. I'm so excited to charge this and use it immediately. Look at how cool it is. Isn't that neat? Bone conducting. I don't know. I've heard that these work, and I've heard that these don't work. So we're going to find out. We're going to see if it's going to work. So let's do this. Thank you guys so much for coming with me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.